Hi, my name is Donnie. I'm a tower instructor over here at Learning Alliance. Today we're going to be talking about the VIAVI RF Vision tool. Its setup onto the antenna, its operation, and then its dismount from the antenna itself. Here we have an antenna that has been knocked out of alignment. I start by ensuring the straps are flush to the antenna. I then insert the tip of the retaining straps into the ratcheting clips and tighten the strap itself to fit tight, followed by ratcheting the straps tight, and then finally attach the RF Vision tool. Once the RF Vision tool is green on the GPS signal, I will enter in my target values and get a visual on what the tool is currently measuring. The yellow crosshair represents where the tool is pointing, and the red crosshair represents our target value, or where we want the antenna oriented to. I will now begin aligning the antenna by making adjustments to my tilt, roll, and azimuth as needed. After my adjustments, I check my alignment again. As you can see, my tilt and azimuth are green, however, my roll is still off from my target, indicated by the red crosshair and white number value in the upper right box. I now make my final required adjustments based on the reading I was given to ensure accurate and proper alignment. I will now take another reading, and as indicated by the green number values and crosshair, my antenna is now properly aligned to the entered target values. I can now hit the save icon to capture my picture. I am now ready to remove the tool from the antenna and return it to the carrying bag and begin my climb down.